Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. I know this is a brown box, but today we are opening probably what is the most exciting package I've ever received in like my whole little career of doing social media. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then keep watching. So if you've ever wondered how like brands contact micro influencers like myself, basically a lot do either DM me on Instagram, or I do get a lot of emails, or I'm on like affiliate marketing kind of websites where I can apply to work with brands, and then I guess they check out my social media, whatever. So that being said, I get a lot of emails, and I got an email from Kaja and IDewCare. I guess they're in the same company, and it was basically like, fill out this little Google form and we're gonna send you some products. And I was like, there's no way this is real. So I'm reading the email. I looked at the actual sender email because I get a ton for like Fashion Nova, Chanel, like just random stuff, and they're never real. This one was legit. So I filled it out, and no joke, the next day I got a tracking number, and here we are. A box full of Kaja goodies and IDewCare goodies. So let's see what I got. This is everything that is inside. They did send me an email with like tracking and whatever, but I didn't want to check it because I really did want to be surprised what was inside. I just wanted to track the package to make sure that it came. So let's see. First is this. Oh, this is so cute. This is a perfect spa pair from IDewCare, and it looks like a little headband and those scrunchies that you put on your wrists so your arm doesn't get wet. I've always kind of wanted to try that, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, look at how cute the headband is with the, I love their logo, the little like winky face. So cute. And I just realized it's an I right here. It's like a line. I don't know if you can see the D and then C, IDewCare. Very, very soft. I love the colors. And then these are like the little wrist things. Are so soft. First of all, this is heavy. This has some weight to it. But this is IDewCare's Tea Tree O starter kit. And it comes with a soothing sheet mask, a foaming cleanser, ooh, and a roll-on face oil. I have one from e.l.f. that I love, so I'm really excited to try this from IDewCare. This is insane. And then everything else is from Kaja. First, we have their Play Bento, and this is in Dolce Cappuccino. So you have a blush, a really, really gorgeous highlight, and a bronzer. I love their packaging. I do have a couple of their bento eyeshadows, and I really do like them. I got another Play Bento in the shade Sugar Cookie. So again, you have your bronzer, highlighter, and blush. This is just a more lighter toned. I'd probably mix these two together to get my perfect shade. Then a Beauty Bento in Coral Sunrise. These are just all eyeshadows. So you have this really gorgeous shade here. Really pretty coral. And then a pretty brown. Then another Beauty Bento in Forest Night. This is more neutral. You got your more like bronzy, kind of goldy shades. These are right up my alley. So this last product seems really cool. It's their Wink Lash Trio, and it's 3 products in one. So this is a volumizing, lengthening mascara, lash primer, and brow serum gel. So they're numbered on top. I'm going to see if it'll focus. So this says 1 clear. Then this one says volumizing. And then this one is lengthening. This sounds really cool. And I love how it's all like, they're magnetic. They all stick together. Thank you so much, IDewCare and Kaja Beauty, for sending me these amazing products. So let me know if you want any video reviews on anything. I will gladly do reviews for you guys, because this was an amazing box. Like, I swear, I'm so happy and so grateful that I got this box, because it's so cool. Like, this is one of my favorite parts about doing social media. It's like having brands notice you, it's like, it's cool. It's really cool in a way. And I know some people get like overloaded with PR, but when you're small like I am, it's exciting. Don't judge me. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media, and that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!